It's me, Lexi, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, last week I started this cartoon-inspired makeup looks. So last week I did Superwoman. This week I let my daughter pick because it's her birthday week, and she chose Stitch. So if you want to see how I did this Stitch inspired look, keep watching. Alright, now I'm going in with my primer. I am using the Profusion eyelid primer all over my lids. Alright, now I am going into the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette, and I am taking the shade Virgin, and I am putting that all over where I put my eyelid primer. And this is just to make the colors pop.
Like a virgin.
Dipping back into that Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette, I am using the shade Brain Freeze, and I am putting that all up in my crease and heading up to the brow bone. Dance break! Okay, back into the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker, into the shade Soaked, and I am just patting that all up in the crease, and I'm doing a little swipe motion to blend.
And another dance break. Shake, shake. Oh my, I really got the jiggly wigglies today.
Alright, I hope you come here for the dancing and the dancing alone, because I am getting it, man. Putting the shade Soaked in my inner corners and my outer corners, and I'm leaving a blank space in the middle. Alright, so I realized that was not the shade I wanted to use, and so I dipped into my 35V Morphe palette, and I put on the shade Rendezvous, in my inner corners and outer corners. And then I took the shade Fling and threw that into my crease because I just wanted it to be a little darker.
Swipe like you're on Tinder. Dab on them haters into your primer and then put that in the center of your eyelid balls.
Alright, I lost some footage here, so I'm just gonna show you that I put the shade Geode from the Profusion Festival palette on top of that concealer. I dipped back into the shade Rendezvous, just to sort of blend that into the shade Geode. Here I took the shade Soaked from the Jeffree Star palette and I put it underneath my eyeballs, only halfway through the eyeball, because you know that's just what I do. Here I am taking the Femme Couture white eyeliner, and I'm just putting that in the inner corners and meeting with that Jeffree Star shade Soaked. Here I took the shade Geode and I put that right on top of that white eyeliner. Time for lashes! Here I'm taking the 3D faux mink lashes that I got from Wally World. While I wait for the lash glue to dry, I'm just putting on some mascara.
Don't forget them bottom lashes, boo-boo!
Alright, I am putting on the lashes close to my natural lashes. And I'm just scooting them into place, you know.
Boot, scootin' boogie!
Alright, I'm sorry. That was lame. Okay, and I'm pinching them into place. Alright, now I'm adding a little mascara to blend my natural lashes with these false lashes. Alright, now I'm taking that Ofra glazed donut highlighter and I'm putting that all over my face, you know, in the usual spots, my cheekbones, my little rosy nosy, my eyebrow bone, and my cupid's bow. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this look. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and stick around for a while. Thanks for watching.